Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. It's 3:08 in the afternoon. I'm about to head to the nail salon to get my nails done. I leave for Miami tomorrow, so I thought that I would go get them done. Plus, this nail is finally grown out to the point where I can actually get like a tip on it, so that's really exciting. If you didn't know, I was washing my car and my acrylic that I had last time came off, and it took my natural nail with it. But about 2 weeks ago, I realized that it only broke in the middle. It didn't break like the full nail off. So I am literally wearing a crop sweatshirt with literally leggings. Like, what am I thinking? It's 80 degrees outside, but I'm really excited because I usually get like solid color nails. Today I was like, you know what, I kind of want to switch it up, do something new. So I'm gonna do this cute little design. I'm sure you guys have probably seen it everywhere, and it's like a French tip but with a color, and I'm gonna go with orange because I'm obsessed over the color orange recently, and I think that it would look really good, especially like it just gives me Miami vibes, but like especially for Miami, like I think it'd be cute. We're gonna head to the nail salon and I will see you guys once we get there. I'm actually meeting Bryn there, so we're getting our nails done together, which is fun. Hey guys, all right, so I'm out of my appointment. It's currently going on 4:50. It's literally 4:58 right now, and I got almond shape. I usually never get almond shape, I usually just get square. Looks like that. I wanted to get them originally like a lot longer, but she informed me that like they had to be short. Well, they didn't have to be, but like it would have just looked weird because they can only make the tip orange. Like they can't make the I don't know, the way she explained it, I was like, okay. So I told her to cut it down because if they were longer, it would have looked weird. So I got them a little short, which honestly is kind of good because this one's still like recovering from when it like got ripped off. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like lifted up. Like, it is not. Yeah, I think they're cute. I'm about to head home and I need to pack first before I do anything because I leave tomorrow morning and I haven't packed a single thing. So try on some outfits, figure out what I want to wear, what I want to take. I might self-tan tonight or I might just go tan. I'm gonna head home and I will see you guys once I arrive. Currently at Starbucks.
How are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
3:48 is your...
Here you go. Thank you.
Wonderful day.
You too. Okay. Hey y'all. So I felt like I should just get a drink because I haven't had this drink in so freaking long and it's summertime, so why not? I got the passion tea lemonade with sweetener. It's so bomb. I like was obsessed with this in 2015 and haven't had it in a while, so we're gonna try it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, y'all, it gives me like 2015 vibes. Oh yeah, I totally forgot to tell you guys, I made a playlist for you guys because on my Instagram I asked you guys to, you know how you can like post something, you guys can swipe up and comment. I asked you guys to put like some summer songs or your favorite songs in there, and I was gonna make one big huge Spotify playlist so that all of you guys could listen to your favorite songs. So a playlist made by you guys for the summertime. Go check it out if you wanna listen to some good music. You wanna be in the vlog?
Yeah, wait, let me finish chewing.
Hey y'all, I'm at Target right now. I need to go in and grab some like last minute essentials for traveling tomorrow.
Yes.
I'm on FaceTime with Katie. And we're just catching up. But yeah, I just want to say hey, and I'm going into Target. So I just got home. It is now 6:20. I ended up running to Target and Ulta because I remembered that I needed some things from Ulta. I'm about to go in and pack. It's a lot later than I wanted to be home, but we got so much done. I got a full tank of gas now. Got my nails done. Went to Target, went to Ulta. Time for a little Target haul. So I got these little traveling containers for like shampoo, conditioner, body wash, lotion, whatever. Some dry shampoo. And then I ended up getting a beauty blender because I needed a new one. And I really wanted to find like a case for it because I don't have a case anymore. But I couldn't find it anywhere, so ended up getting 2 beauty blenders. And then I got a little thing of goldfish for my flight tomorrow. And then at Ulta, I got just some extra makeup things. I got this, I found this. And then I had to stock up on some other things that I ran out of. So this is the foundation I use. It's the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better foundation and skincare, and it's water light, medium coverage, and a natural radiant finish. I ended up getting some more setting spray because I ran out a while ago and just never went out and got some. So while I was there, I saw it and grabbed it. I used the Urban Decay All Nighter spray, and I didn't see like the original one, but I found this one, and it's the Ultra Matte. Long lasting. And then I got so lucky, you guys, because this is what I use for my eyebrows. It's the Busy Gal Brow by Tarte, and I went in there and I was like looking for it, couldn't find it anywhere. I asked the lady where it was and she directed me to that area, and I like looked and all I saw was like dark brown, dark brown, dark brown, like and then there was another one that was like it was like it's like an orangey blonde, but that's not like what I need. I need like a blonde. I was like, oh my gosh, like they don't have the one I need, but there was one left. But yeah, I was just like, thank goodness they had one left, because I was literally gonna have to go to another Ulta. That's exciting. Had to pick up a couple things. Now it's time to go inside and pack my suitcase to the brim. Okay guys, we're back home now and we're about to get packing. Okay, here's the plan, guys. We're gonna pull up the itinerary and we're gonna figure out everything that we need, okay? Day one is gonna be Thursday. Dinner reservations, okay. Looks like we need a very classy nature vibe, casual cute dress, skirt or cute pants, small wedges or heels. Place is a rooftop, on water, has a very nice, okay. So basically, don't forget, we need that. Next, it's a boat day. So the next day is a boat day. We need bikini, cover up, maybe a cute dinner outfit. Next day, we need a super cute outfit for brunch, maybe like a skirt, dress, and then another cute, tiny little mini dress for when we go out for the birthday celebration. And then the next day, we're leaving. So let's do this. Let's do this right now. You know, airports can be dirty. I'm just gonna start off with a bathing suit because I know what I want to wear. Here's our bikinis. First we have this cutie bottoms. Here's the top, and then this one is super cute. The top looks like that, bottoms blue. The dress for when we go clubbing for the birthday celebration, this is from Princess Polly. Next we have this skirt. This is gonna be for brunch, super cute, from Princess Polly. And then I'm thinking of wearing it with this little bustier from Princess Polly as well, but I'm gonna bring a dress as like a backup. Okay, this is the dress I'm bringing for backup, super cute. Definitely wanna bring these cute little short heels. They're super cute. And I actually have a black midi dress that I might look into as well. Okay, we figured it out, you guys. I was literally stressing, but this bodysuit for brunch, super cute. Or is it a jumpsuit? Yeah, jumpsuit, not bodysuit. Looks like this from Windsor and has like a little tie back, super cute. Obsessed. I have this little fishnet looking thing for like a beachy cover up. Then I have 3 different heels. I literally can't decide. I already showed you guys these plain black ones, but then I have regular, just like cute black ones, and then these like black and clear ones. And I can't make up my mind, so we might just bring both. Then I have this midi dress. It's actually really cute. We're just bringing it as like an extra option. Hi guys, what is up? So it is a lot later. Like I told you guys earlier, I told you that I would end up vlogging. I vlogged when I got home, and here I am. So I'm about to vlog this, putting everything up. I'm so excited. I have a flight to catch in less than 12 hours. This is my present for the birthday girl. All right, but actually, I'm about to pack this at high speed. So let's just do it. She is all packed, you guys. I'm so excited, you guys. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I guess that's it for today's video. I literally look so pale right now, but I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to bed so I can get some sleep before I have to wake up early for the flight, but I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Follow my socials. Oh, look at the nails. Subscribe to stick around, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Red is so ready to go to bed. Look at him. Red. Okay, I love you guys. Mwah. Good night.